In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete purchase history from Apple ID. This process can help you manage what others see when they look at your app purchases. However, it's important to understand that you cannot permanently delete your purchase history. Apple retains a record of apps, subscriptions, music, movies, and in-app purchases for your account. Currently, there is no option to erase that history completely. Knowing this upfront helps set your expectations. Now, let's get started by hiding purchased apps. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. You will see the familiar layout of the App Store showcasing featured apps and games. This is the starting point for managing your purchases. Once the App Store is open, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping on this picture takes you to your account settings, where you can find all your purchase information. Next, tap on either Apps or Purchased. This action will lead you to a list of all the apps you have purchased or downloaded. It is here that you can manage the visibility of your apps. Scroll through the list to find the specific app you want to hide. This step is crucial for decluttering your purchase list. Once you locate the app, swipe left on it to reveal the hide option. This simple action keeps your app list tidy and prevents others from seeing what you have downloaded. After tapping hide, the app will no longer appear in your purchase list. This gives the illusion that you haven't purchased it, which can be helpful if you share your device with others. Now you have a cleaner view of your purchases, making it easier to find the apps you actually use. To view your purchase history at any time, you can easily do so by returning to the App Store. Again, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This takes you back to your account settings. From here, tap on Purchase History. It's important to note that this area shows all your purchases, including those you have hidden. To make navigation easier, use the Last 90 Days filter. This allows you to see older purchases if needed, providing a clear overview of your activity. Using this filter can help you track subscriptions and past app purchases, which is beneficial for budgeting or managing your subscriptions effectively. Apple also provides the option to clear app usage data. This action is designed to optimize recommendations based on your usage patterns. However, it's essential to understand that clearing this data does not delete your purchase history. This distinction is important because it helps you keep your purchase history intact while still managing the data Apple collects for recommendations. In summary, while you cannot completely delete your purchase history from your Apple ID, you can hide purchased apps to maintain privacy. This method helps you create a more personalized experience on your device. Remember that you can always view your purchase history and manage your app usage data whenever you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain your privacy while using your Apple ID effectively.